This transmission is coming to you.
You got it.
Hi, and welcome to the Daily Stock Report, brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Vanessa Ramirez, and for Friday, September 28th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets. Today's headline news is brought to you by Global Resource Corporation. Global Resource Corporation is a development stage company that holds rights to a technology with various applications to recover energy, such as oil and gas, from waste materials. Let's get into some of the top headline news from Thursday. Stocks extended their gains with a moderate advance as investors weighed fresh economic data for clues to whether more interest rate cuts are in the offering. And with the final trading day of the quarter arriving today, some investors likely engaged in buying and selling designed to spruce up their portfolios. New home sales tumbled in August to the lowest level in 7 years, a stark sign that the credit crunch is aggravating an already painful housing slump. Sales of new homes dropped 8.3% in August from July, the Commerce Department reported Thursday. That was the lowest level since June 2000. The U.S. dollar dropped to a record low against the euro for a sixth consecutive session Thursday. The fresh low on Thursday came market expectations build for another rate cut by the Fed amid more signs that the U.S. economy is in a funk. Let's see what the market opens up this morning. The Dow is up 34.79 or 0.25%. The Nasdaq is up as well, 10.56 or 0.39%, and the S&P index is also up 5.96 or 0.39%. And now for a look at the small cap news Quality Stocks was tracking Thursday. Small cap headlines is brought to you by Younger America. Younger America is a holding company that develops and acquires undervalued companies that provide products to improve the quality of life without the use of potentially harmful drugs or chemicals. Nanobach Pharmaceuticals Incorporated shares surged over 100% this week on the news of Space Act agreement with NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas. The collaboration will focus on the detection and treatment of the pathogens with astronauts during space flights that's subjected in zero-gravity environments. Nanobach Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, a bio-life science company, engages in the discovery and development of products and services to improve human health. Shadow Oil and Gas Incorporated, previously up 62 cents, is up 169% at $1.67 with 1.6 million shares traded. Shadow Oil and Gas Incorporated shares were boosted Thursday on the news that the company announced the results of its drill program. Independent analysis of the drilling results and existing data available on a portion of the leases gave an estimate of the original oil in place to be 2.25 billion barrels. Shadow Oil and Gas Incorporated is a Canadian junior exploration company focused on carbonate-hosted bitumen deposits in the Peace River area of Alberta, Canada. Waste Recovery Incorporated announced a move to increase shareholder value through the retirement of 1.5 billion shares of stock. The company also announced this month that the filing of merger paperwork with State of Nevada is finalizing the merger with DR Entertainment Group of Las Vegas, Nevada. Waste Recovery Incorporated is a development stage corporation mandated by its shareholders to seek out business opportunities to acquire or merge with to create a value for its shareholders.